Congrats on clicking this video. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you're serious about making some real money, you're definitely in the right place. Trust me, what I'm about to share with you is going to blow your mind, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you a game-changing strategy that combines Deepseek AI with Pinterest and one other secret AI tool. I'll walk you through how to find high-converting products from places like ClickBank, and then use Pinterest trends to earn huge affiliate commissions. Stick around to the end. When you're new to affiliate marketing, right, it can be overwhelming. Picking the right products, finding your audience, and creating content that actually gets people to buy can feel like a lot, right? Now, Pinterest, this is where most people miss out. It's a gold mine, but a lot of affiliate marketers don't know how to tap into it the right way. Some even think it's just for home decor ideas and recipes. But let me tell you, that's not all Pinterest is for. I'm here to show you how to use Deepseek AI to simplify the whole process and get you creating content that actually drives sales, okay? So if you haven't heard of Deepseek AI yet, let me introduce you. It's an awesome tool that helps you create high-quality, trending content for affiliate marketing, e-commerce, blog posts, analyzing trends, and so much more, okay? And here's the plan. First, we are going to choose a profitable product from ClickBank, but honestly, this works with pretty much any affiliate marketplace, you name it. The idea is just to follow this blueprint. That's the strategy. Next, we're going to use Deepseek AI to research the trends in your niche so you can see what's actually working right now. Once we know what's hot, we'll create some high-converting Pinterest pins using those insights, okay? Let's break it down step by step and make sure you have everything you need to succeed. All right, step 1. We need to find the right affiliate products on ClickBank. First things first, choosing a niche is super important. There are a ton of options, but for this video, we'll go with the health and fitness niche. There are about 545 products in there, so plenty to choose from, okay? Now here's a pro tip. Focus on high-gravity products. These are the ones that are selling well and offering decent commissions. But here's the catch. High gravity also usually means high competition, especially in big niches like health. We'll dive into how to handle that as we go, okay? So browse through ClickBank's marketplace and you'll see niches like health, wealth, relationships, and home improvement. They are really doing well on Pinterest too. For this tutorial, let's go with Mitolin. It's a dietary supplement and it pays out around $134 per sale, okay? Or you could go with Java Burn, another supplement that's been around for a while and pays $159 per sale. So imagine if you're making just 10 sales a month, that's over $1,300 in commission just from a product. Not bad, right? So before you start promoting any product, it's super important to make sure it's legit and actually does what it says it will. You don't want to promote something that doesn't live up to its promises, right? So first things first, click on the affiliate page button. Once you do that, enter your username to get access and boom, you're in. Now you'll see the Access Affiliate Resources section. This is where you can learn more about the product, so take your time here. And right over here, you'll find your affiliate link. Just copy and paste that into your notepad for safekeeping. Now here's something cool. While they offer CPA, which is great, you can also request a higher commission instead of the usual 75%. Pretty awesome, right? Scroll down a bit more and you'll find additional materials. But the most important thing you need to check out is their use of terms policy. Trust me, you don't want to fall into a trap and get banned. Some brands have strict rules about the keywords affiliates can bid on. For example, some products don't want their affiliates bidding on certain keywords. Anyway, go ahead and copy your affiliate link and paste it into a new tab. This is a crucial step because you want to see exactly where your audience will land when they click your link, okay? Well, not bad, right? It's a VSL, Video Sales Letter page. VSL pages are known to convert like crazy. And when someone clicks, buys, and makes a payment, you're looking at a sweet $130 commission. Now, head over to Deepseek AI. This tool helps us identify the latest content trends, and it will also give us insights into the kind of content that's getting traction. By analyzing competitors and top content, then we can generate creative ideas for pins that are likely to grab attention. Okay? When it comes to using AI, you've got to be smart about it to get the best results. The key is using it as a tool to work for you, not the other way around, right? Now, my number one rule in marketing is this. Don't make it hard for people to buy. Instead, offer value, make them feel comfortable, build trust, and then they'll be more likely to listen to you and take action. So here's our prompt. Analyze the latest trends and high-performing content in the specific niche on Pinterest. Then input your niche in the bracket, okay? This prompt is giving everything because it'll give us insights into what's trending right now. We'll see exactly what type of content is working and which visuals are getting the most attention. Now let's hold and allow Deepseek to do its thing. Boom! Deepseek just gave us a complete breakdown of what's working, all for free. Beautiful, right? Now here's the concept that will really help you make money in affiliate marketing or selling any product for that matter. Looking at the thought section, right? It starts by identifying the main categories in weight loss. It even points out a rising category, mental health, and notes that stress management and sleep tips related to weight loss are big right now. This is key, okay? If you scroll through, you'll see it suggests top performing pin types like recipes pins, workout guide, and specific engagement examples. It even highlights trending formats and provides relevant keywords you should be using, okay? As you keep scrolling, more pin types are suggested. I'm not sure if I should share the whole prompt file here, but I think you get the idea. It's all about leveraging what's working for a better chance for sales, right? Anyways, it also suggests visual trends, which are types of images and graphics that are performing well right now. Then here is trending topics and keywords section. This is where your supplement fits in perfectly. It even gives you the specific keywords you should be watching out for, okay? And here it warns you about potential pitfalls to avoid, like certain strategies that could lead to your account being shadow banned. Now you've got clearer picture of what's working on Pinterest, right? So here's the next step. And this will our prompt. And it says, I'm promoting a weight loss dietary supplement for Mitolin. Now, don't write anything yet. I want you to confirm if you understand. So just reply with a yes or no. Then I quickly give it a short summary of what Mitolin is all about, like this. Mitolin is a dietary supplement designed to support healthy weight loss by targeting the body's metabolism, blah, 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 and all of that. Now, this gives Deepseek enough context to understand what we're working with and create what really aligns with our goals, okay? And you'll see why I did this in just a sec. Beautiful, and that was all I needed. Now, check this out. In the thought section, it says something super important. Considering Pinterest trends, the user needs to create engaging pins that align with what's working right now. Deepseek also suggests focusing on how to present Mitolin in a way that blends with those trends. And it says maybe showcase it as part of a holistic approach, combining the supplement with healthy recipes or workout routines. Since the supplement is all about boosting metabolism and using natural ingredients, blah, 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 and all, I hope you are beginning to get the idea, right? And here's the best part. Deepseek reminds us to make sure all content is empowering and educational, not just pushing the product, while positioning Mitolin as part of a larger healthy lifestyle. That's key, right? No hard selling, just value-driven content. Beautiful. Now, let me show you what to do next. Following up with this prompt. Here's the concept. While strategizing content that highlights Mitolin's strengths, don't mention Mitolin directly. I want it to sound as authentic as possible. Generate 10 social media posts that focus on lead conversion or sales. Just like that, we've got 10 highly targeted, engaging posts ready to go, all designed to convert leads into customers. Amazing, right? Now, if I were you, I'd actually ask the AI to generate 50 posts instead of just 10, because that way you won't run out of content anytime soon. Or even ask for 100 posts to be on the safe side, because more content means more opportunities to engage your audience and drive sales, okay? So now that we've got our titles, visual ideas, captions, and keywords, take a look at all these outputs. Pretty catchy, right? Well, these posts are designed to grab attention and really resonate with your audience. Now, with all the insights we got from Deepseek AI, you should be able to create Pinterest pins that really stand out because you're using the latest trends and visual elements that are proven to work, so your content will get noticed, okay? Here are some of the visuals I created based on the suggested Pinterest post ideas. Take a look at them for inspiration. Super simple, right? Well, for creating your pins, use whatever design tool works for you, but I personally recommend Canva. It's free, super easy to use, and it has tons of Pinterest templates you can choose from. Just pick one, modify it to fit your brand, and boom, you're good to go, okay? I've actually made several videos showing you exactly how to use Canva to design pins that convert. Now, while you're busy building up your image pins, remember, no Pinterest strategy is complete without a video pin. And as Deepseek rightly suggested, we need one of those too, right? So to get started, head over to TopView AI, where you can create a free account for life. We're going to use their avatar marketing video feature. Super easy. All you have to do is copy the URL of Mitolin or any product you're promoting and paste it into the link section here, okay? This feature works with a lot of e-commerce platforms like AliExpress, Shopify, WooCommerce, and even Amazon. So once you paste the link and hit enter, the AI goes to work and creates a product video, okay? And trust me, it's not just any video. It's going to feature a human-like avatar talking over the video, making it super engaging. These avatars are so lifelike. It's like they are right there talking to your audience. So choose any avatar you like to bring your script to life, okay? But here's the best part, the product avatar feature. This is where it gets really interesting. With this feature, you can have the AI create a product video where the human-like avatar actually holds the product and gives a review based on your script. Imagine how lovely it will be. So you want to choose from a ton of different avatars here, okay? Some are holding phones, bags, books, notepads, and all of that, even lipstick and wristwatches. There's an avatar for pretty much anything. And some of these avatars even hold supplements. Perfect for our niche, right? Now, here's the little catch. Some of the avatars have a crown icon next to them. That means those are paid features. If you're using a free account, just stick with the free avatars to avoid any charges, all right? Now I'm going to switch the avatar and replace Object It with our affiliate product, Mitolin, of course. You can even increase the product size a bit for better visibility, okay? Once you're happy with the placement, just click the button to confirm the position of the affiliate product. Easy, right? Honestly, this tool is so powerful, but a little reminder, please don't abuse it. It's a game changer, but use it responsibly. Now just sit back and let the AI do its thing. Wait for it to finish animating.
I'm Top View Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Top View Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Nice, right? And by the way, I've already created a tutorial video showing you exactly how to generate a product video for any affiliate product, e-commerce product, dropshipping, and more. Now, go ahead and click on the Use My Script button. You'll be able to input your script using the prompt. Impressive, right? If you need to, feel free to pause this video and copy the prompt for your affiliate product reviews, okay? Once you've got that, you can either paste your script in here or upload your audio file and the AI avatar will say it for you. Now you can stick with the default voice of the avatar or you can change it to whatever accent or tone you prefer, okay? There are so many voices to choose from.
टॉपव्यू.ai में आपका स्वागत है जो एक अत्याधुनिक एआई
I'm a huge fan of the Indian accent myself. Once everything's set, just click Generate, and the AI will deliver your product video. And that's it. Easy peasy, right? Alright, if you're finding any value in this video so far, please give it a thumbs up as we move on to step 4. Now, head over to Pinterest.com and create an account if you don't have one yet. But make sure you're signing up for a business account. That's the secret to making the most out of Pinterest affiliate marketing, okay? The best part is Pinterest now lets you link your Instagram account and other external links. And if you didn't know, Instagram and Pinterest have a lot in common when it comes to video formats and images. They're kind of like cousins in the social media world, so this is a big win. Once you're logged in, right, you'll land on this interface. Now click here to access the tools you'll need. This is where you'll manage your content, analyze performance, and keep track of your campaigns and also the business section, okay? From here, just click on Create Pins to get started. I'll go ahead and upload the image we designed on canva.com. Add in the title, caption, and keywords that Deepseek gave us. For the description, I'll just use the caption instead. And here you can add your affiliate link or any link you want to share. Now the board section is where you create subcategories for your pins. This helps keep everything organized and easy to find. So create one. I already have a few boards set up. Next up, you've got the tags, which are just keywords that help your pins get discovered. And there you go. You're all set. Pinterest is really stepping up its game, and I'm loving all the new updates. For example, with the add product feature, you can even add your website link as a secondary link to your pin, okay? Everything's looking pretty great now. When you're ready, just hit publish to see a preview of how your pin will look. So once your pins are live, you'll definitely want to track their performance, right? Well, Pinterest Analytics is an amazing tool for this, okay? It shows you impressions, saves, clicks, and all the vital metrics you need. With this data, you can figure out which pins are driving the most traffic and conversions, so you can adjust your strategy as needed. And when someone clicks on the Visit Site button, it takes them straight to your ClickBank affiliate offer. And if they make a purchase, you'll earn $130 as commission. Well, I'll leave the links to all the AI tools and videos we mentioned earlier for easy access, okay? Now, before you go, remember this. Affiliate marketing is all about testing, tweaking, and staying consistent. The more you apply this strategy, the better your chances of success. Please give this video a like and drop a comment. I hope you found this helpful. And let me know what you think about using Deepseek and Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Do you think it's worth giving it a try?